I'm Sage from Kalkine TV, and welcome to today's show where we have engaging news stories to prepare you for your day in business and finance. RBA anticipates asset prices to shoot up over lower interest rates. Housing price to surge 30%. Reserve Bank of Australia has disclosed its assessment of the low interest environment on asset prices and the impact of monetary policy on savers, depositors and self-funded retirees. Household spending to experience a boost. Confidential analysis by the central bank estimates that its term funding facility, bond purchases and lower interest rates across the yield curve are likely to support the economy and asset prices by lowering the financing costs for borrowers while keeping the credit supply open for them. Also, these programs from the central bank, along with lower interest rates, are estimated to contribute to the lower exchange rate, supporting asset prices and balance sheets. As per RBA's assessment, asset prices along with wealth and household spending should take a boost from these programs and lower interest rates. The estimated increase in household spending would be mainly due to an increase in the value of collateral, allowing households and businesses to borrow more, leading to an overall surge in consumption and investment. Housing prices to surge 30%. Apart from many assets likely to increase, housing prices are estimated to witness a major boost, with house value jumping 30% over 3 years on a permanent basis, whole jumping 10% on a temporary basis. Thank you for watching Kalkine TV.